Hello, I'm Vicky. I represent Kalpatru Jewellers India Private Limited. Actually, we've participated from Manyang Jewellers, which is for the first time. We are launching Manyang Jewellers, and we at Kalpatru Jewellers have been in this business for the last 25 years. And we've been into export, we've been into manufacturing, and we've been into distribution. And now we are coming out with the retail segment, which is now to be called as Manyang Jewellers, and we are trying to promote this in this particular exhibition. Previous years, every time we used to be in B2B, and this is the first time we are in B2C. And Manyang Jewellers, for this, it is the first experience in the B2C segment, and we've been getting a very good response on this. Offering right now, as of now, we are offering silver equivalent to the weight of gold purchased, and we've been getting a very tremendous response for it. No special prizes, nothing of that sort, because gold comes without any scheme. If I offer more schemes, people would generally think that what am I charging and what am I not charging. It's a very simple scheme that we are up to. It's without making charges, only the wastage, and we are giving silver equivalent to the weight of gold. No branches as of now, but we are having a head office in Mumbai. From there, we are into the distribution part. We are into whole of India. We are distributing in the whole of India. Retail segment, this is the only segment that is coming up in Secunderabad. Business point of view, when we are exhibiting ourselves in an exhibition, it actually helps you out to reach to more customers, and the scope in the exhibition is actually more because customers come and see what exactly you have on display. They can see the products on range, they talk to us, they feel confident, and they come to the showroom. That gives us added advantage in it. The focus would be on, because now the gold rates have increased, we try to focus on lesser weight and more value things to be seen. So we try to manufacture things which are lesser in weight, but the grandness is still there. Next year, yes, we do participate. We are planning to participate every year from now on, and we are looking forward to whatever the new exhibitions are coming by. Diamond manufacturing is in Mumbai, gold manufacturing is in Mumbai, local manufacturing we do have, but for all the local things that we have done here, they are all locally manufactured. 916, we do generally two sort of things. One is 22 carat, that is 916, and one is 18 carat, that is 75% of gold. 75 we do have very less variety, and the other, that is 22 carat, that is hallmark 916 jewelry, that we are having an abundant stock. Really, the marriages time and all, we try to come up with all sort of bridal jewelries and bridal jewelry sets and all this sort of things, wherein each and every item related to the bridal occasion, we try to keep each and every item in there. So try like Vadiyanam or Arvankis or Mang Tikkas and all this thing. Each and every segment, lightweight things to be, but the grandeur is still there. That's what we look for.